Hello children, I hope you're doing fine. Let us start with our topic for today. Let us start today with land use. What is the definition of land use? Land use is the way people use the land for different purposes. The different types of land use are residential, agricultural, infrastructural, industrial, commercial, and recreational. Take a look at the example below of commercial land use. Let us move on with agricultural land use. Agriculture or farming is the practice of growing crops or rearing of animals. The four types of agriculture are plantation agriculture, pastoral farming, market gardening, and mixed farming. Let us take a look at plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture is a method of farming where large areas of land are used to cultivate crops, which is also called cash crops. Examples are tea plantation and sugarcane plantation. Below is a picture of tea plantation in Mauritius. The next one is pastoral farming. Pastoral farming means the rearing of animals only. Pastoral farmers raise sheep for wool and cows for dairy farming. Below is an example of pastoral farming. Let us move on with market gardening. Market gardening is the production of fruits, vegetables, and flowers for sale. These crops are grown in a small area of land. In Mauritius, market gardening is practiced at Terre Rouge, Bonne Terre, and Les Mariannes. Mixed farming. Mixed farming is a method of farming which involves both growing of crops and rearing of animals, as you can see in the picture. We did a revision on the types of agricultural farming. Now let us move on with agriculture in Rodrigues. In Rodrigues, most farmers practice mixed farming. On the alluvial deposits of most rivers, market gardening is carried out. On the sloping lands, farmers grow crops on terraces. On the central ridge, farmers grow vegetables and red beans for sale. The picture below shows agriculture in Rodrigues. I am sure that you have been able to memorize some of these agriculture farming. These are very important notes that you have to revise. And you can take note in your copybook. If you have well understood the lesson, take a look at these homework. Work out these questions in your copybook. I hope you have your pencil and your copybook with you. Let us move on to the questions. For number 1, you have to write down the reasons why agriculture or farming is important. Number 2, mention the types of farming practiced in Mauritius and Rodrigues. For this question, you can take the help from your book. Number 3, write down the main crops which are grown on terraces in Rodrigues. Number 4, explain the term alluvial deposits. Number 5, explain what do you understand by the term mixed farming. All these questions have been taken from your book itself. I hope you attempt all these questions. Good luck. Well, that was all for today. Thank you very much for your attention and study well at home.